Approval Powersports, guys. We got over 450 used bikes in our showroom. We got guaranteed financing programs for everybody. Anyone looking for a used Honda sport bike or Kawasaki sport bike, we got it in stock. From CBR 600s, ZX6s, ZX10s, ZX14s, we got them all. Over 450 bikes, guaranteed financing, good credit, bad credit, no credit. We can get you riding. Give us a call. It's 810-648-9500. Over 450 used bikes, financing for everybody. Visit our website, approvalpowersports.com.
Click the link below now to see our current inventory.